Hey guys, Casey here, back at the forge. This morning I want to show you how to take this piece of 8-inch long, 5/8 round mild steel and turn it into a tongue blank. Let's get it hot. Now, whenever you're making a tongue blank, you're not trying to define the jaw or nothing. You just need to rough it in. We'll take about 1.5 inch bit, flatten it out for the jaw, flatten out about 1 inch part for the boss, and then define the rein, and that'll be it. We're not trying to forge out the whole tongue or nothing, just a blank. I try to keep blanks laying around because you never know whenever you get into a project and you need a different style set of tongs. Now, first things first, let's define the jaw. See how the jaw's nice and defined? To get her hot again, we'll define the boss. I make all my own tongs, just so everybody knows. I prefer to make my own. Some of them aren't as pretty as bought tongs, but these were made from the same thing, 5/8 round, 8-inch long. There you can see we got the boss nice and defined. Now you gotta watch that. Just straightening it out, it will flip out of your fucking tongs. Just like that. Okay, we got the jaw, we got the boss. Let's define the rein. Now, I've done this all in one heat before, but to do it in one heat, I'd never be able to actually show you guys. You wouldn't actually be able to see what was going on. It'd be happening too fast. So I figured I'd come out and just show you the process slow. Now, whenever you're making tong blank, you define your jaw down to one side. Whenever you flatten it, it offsets it from one side of the bar to the other. Now you need to define your rein to the opposite side of the bar that the jaw is defined on. Alright, you see how your jaw is defined down on the bottom side more. So we need to offset the rein to the top side. Okay. Now, you can see how we're starting to take our shape. We're going to define our boss just a little bit more, and that's going to be our tong blank. Just trying to take these corners down, that way it's easier to draw out. There you go, guys. That is how you make a tong blank. There is your finished tong blank. You've got your jaw, your boss, and enough material for a rein. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit the like and subscribe button.